In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter K1 in Turbotax. If you need to report a Schedule K1 in your tax return, Turbotax makes the process fairly straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to expect so you can move through it with confidence. To get started, log into your Turbotax return and head to the income section. This is where Turbotax organizes the different types of earnings, investments, and tax form you may need to report. Since a Schedule K1 is tied to income from partnerships, S corporations, estates, or trusts, this is the correct place to begin. Once you're in the income area, scroll until you find the Schedule K1 section. When you see it, click Add Edit. This opens the part of Turbotax where you can either enter a new K1 or make changes to one you may have already started. If you have your tax document in front of you, this is a good time to keep it nearby so you can refer to the information as you go. After selecting Add Edit, Turbotax may ask you a confirmation question to check whether you have a Schedule K1 to enter. On that screen, click Yes. This tells the program that you do, in fact, need to add K1 information to your return, and it will continue guiding you through the next part of the setup. At this stage, there's one important thing to know. To enter a Schedule K1 in Turbotax, you need to be using the premium version. If you're not already on that version, Turbotax will prompt you to upgrade before you can continue. That's normal because K1 forms are considered a more advanced tax topic and they're handled in the premium tier. So to recap, you'll start in the income section, find Schedule K1, choose Add to Edit, confirm by clicking Yes, and then make sure you're on premium, so Turbotax will allow you to proceed. A quick tip before you continue, take a moment to verify that your Schedule K1 form is complete and readable before entering anything. That can help avoid mistakes and save time if Turbotax asks follow-up questions later. And that's how to begin entering a K1 in Turbotax. Once you've reached the correct section and confirmed access through premium, you'll be ready to move forward with the actual form entry.